Happy birthday, Rebecca. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. I'm Amanda.
And I'm Katie. And today we're watching One Piece episodes 375 and 376. If you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you want to do an uncut watch along, make sure to check the link in the description below to check out our Patreon.
Thanks, guys. Enjoy. I like how nobody screamed for Luffy.
Good point. Everyone but our captain. Oh, well, to be fair, that is a little frightening.
I like how Robin's arm is gone in midair. They're coming. Just calm down.
Also, guys, literally scoot like 2 inches to the right and you're fine.
Right. Like you could drag their bodies into the shadows.
I wonder if you...
Oh, you're right. They are like 300 feet.
That's what I'm saying.
You gotta go up and then come back down. You know, gravity.
Yeah. I mean, they didn't have to be so dramatic about going up in the first place.
Well, it's like
they could have just gone. Bleh.
Newton's laws, right? Of physics.
Oh. Let's see them. What do your feet look like?
Okay, but like, what if he didn't?
That'd be really funny.
And he just brought him straight out. Aww.
Aww. Yay.
Now think about your life choices.
Yeah, really.
Yes.
No, he just decided to be nice.
Child. Really, that's more impossible.
Yeah. 4 emperors. Do we know that? Learning new things every day. I may have learned it yesterday, but I'm still learning new things today. In the West Blue.
Oh, hey, he took marine shadows.
I love that these people are standing outside like they were going to fry anyway, but they're like, let's go find out if I have a shadow today.
Let's check today.
I wonder if they just all put their feet out.
Imagine, yeah, if that was like your everyday, like
you're like, oh! Yay! Lovers?
And I'm kind of more interested now in how her shadow got stolen.
Right? I had hard feelings towards Blake.
I don't know why. Oh, I think so. Okay,
I can smell it.
I want this like side soap
I
opera.
kind of love it. Look at her eyes; they're beautiful.
Cute little freckles.
I love that we have this little side plot. Now we can marry.
I want to know more about it.
I want more about Margarita.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. What if he's just headless now?
I was just gonna say, what if it was only like half their bodies? Robin.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I thought you died. Brick, you get to stay up all day now.
You can. I wonder if skeletons need to sleep.
On Luffy. I don't know. It's like a candle.
As Chopper says, none of it has to make sense.
Right?
I just love that Nami is unironically wearing someone else's Jolly Roger on her chest, too.
She really... Yeah.
So,
do you think they like stink now because they're like rotting?
Probably. You are married to her.
Technically are. But now you're a widow.
Yeah, he did.
He's so clever.
Oh, too bad you are a loser.
Right? Luffy looks like his eyes are open, but also closed.
Yes.
And I don't particularly enjoy that. Aww.
It's kind of cool that they all kind of figured that out on their own, though.
That they're like, okay, we love
Like-
him so much.
We gotta take care of him because he's taking care of us.
Yep. No, it's the old man. Oh, what a fitting.
Oh!
Severely injured, but he's fine.
Mm-hmm.
かけるならこいつらだと勝手に希望をかけたんだ。
ありがとう、あんたたち。スリラーバーク被害者の会一同。
I love that they've made an association.
Mm-hmm.
ありがとうございました。
Aw.
うん。
あれば何でも言ってくれ。
Meat!
少ないが食料の蓄えもあるし。一挙に5人こそ4449回目の破談だ。
I like how they keep track for her.
Me too.
特にあんた。
Shoot your shot, girly.
お礼をしたいってしたみたいに。
モリアに勝てたことに感謝してんだ。
She's like, you got any treasure?
Got any money?
あなた目が。そうだ。
They always call her out.
お前らの船に積み込んでやる。
それならもう。
Yes, do that. Oh, no.
Yeah, like, we've got to go.
そうだ、私大変なこと忘れてた。
なんだ。
To be fair, you were distracted.
それが大変なの。
なるほどな。
Too late.
悪い予感が的中した。
Oh, crap.
誰だ。ありゃ。
More importantly,
That's
who's
why
he
it
talking
sounded so
to?
robotic. I was
Yeah.
like,
みんな。落ち着いて。
remain calm. Don't scream.
So that's a warlord.
Please don't try to fight
俺
him.
たちとの戦いの最中で。七部会が。
今。なんて。
Hey, they are calm.
あれが。七部
I mean,
Ish.
ish. For as calm as it can be.
そんな。
Is that messed up?
Yes. They should not have to do 2 in one day.
That is fair.
生きてさえいれば回復を待ち、ひとまず七部会の続投を願いたいところ。
Lame.
措置については
They're worried about PR.
They are.
They are.
It's a big problem in the pirate world, actually.
バーソロミュークマ。
あいつが僕クマ。
Sounds like a spooky name.
It is.
It's usually what tyrant means.
わかるな。モリアの敗北に目撃者がいてはならない。
Just move on. Everybody's got to go.
麦わらの一味を含むその島に残る者たち全員を。
Pick up Luffy. We got to go.
That's not great.
今なんか聞こえたぞ。
You got to go, guys. Come on now.
Okay. The time for moving is now. I really love his look, but his pants changed.
I think they just forgot to put it in the circles.
That's fine. But I like them.
You know, you could also solve the problem by making sure Moria is not breathing.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just saying that's a different option to go.
なんで。
Not for Kuma.
I mean, but it could be because then you're just like only having to take one person out and you're like, listen, he was already gone. I can't do anything about that.
Yeah, that's fair.
Like, he's not going to recover. I don't know.
そんな。七部会と連戦なんて。
Or you just be like, he lives on this island now forever and
Yeah.
he never comes out. Zoro, buddy.
Okay, I appreciate that you're taking this willingness right now, but maybe don't.
I'm very worried. You're not doing great, dear.
Mm-mm.
あいつが手で触れた人間が消えるところを見たわ。
触れた人間が消える。
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
そして本人は瞬間移動するわ。
うす君の悪い野郎だな。
I don't think anybody on this crew gets to talk.
Yeah, really. We have a literal skeleton now.
See, his pants got it back on.
I feel better. He has little paw prints on his belt. Oh no.
あの手が危ない。
Don't want to catch those hands.
He's so quick.
Oh boy. Okay, what cool music though.
Mm-hmm.
いつの間に。なる
I would
Right,
too.
everybody, while he's distracted with
Run.
the other crew.
Run away.
I mean, you saved them once. You don't have to save them again.
That's true. That's not the way they operate, though.
Oh no. I don't know if they did not vanish. He just like annihilated
He
them.
bitch slapped them real bad. Oh no. Oh no.
Don't like that.
I don't like this at all. No, it's okay. You don't. What if you didn't? He looks so little.
He is a little compared to him.
What is with the paw
Ouch.
print?
It's like a burn.
何年も暗い森でモリアの支配に耐えたっていうのに
I think you mean unfair. It's
Yeah.
very unfair.
七部会がもう一人現れて私らを全員殺す
Did you even get a moment of happiness?
Yeah. You know, when she didn't vanish from her. So,
Yay! Oh no.
like, she got a moment.
I love that Chopper's already given it. Dag nabbit! What a word! Yay! Okay, you guys did nothing. So
I
like,
truly.
oh, I think he would more say friends.
Oh,
Aww.
only Robin's like, you guys are idiots.
Like, stop. No, not us.
Getting ready. I need you to put on your bandana.
Yeah,
You're
honestly.
really gonna fight him.
It's a cool thing to say, but I don't feel good about it.
Oh, so quick. Don't like that.
Nope.
All right, Bizora, you can also be fast.
Be really fast.
Yep. Wow. All right, surely you gotta be impressed somewhere, right?
Ooh. Why is something so scary also so cute?
To make it even more of like a mind, like to mess with
Ooh,
you.
he got your noggin.
Panda Man is terrified.
Oh yeah, there he is. I love that his hat is adorable. I want that hat.
I mean, his lick is kind of cute.
It's really cool. Like, if I were to cosplay, I think I'd choose this right now.
That's pretty fun.
ゾロの斬撃を手で弾いた
Bare hand?
Brunching.
肉肉の実の肉球人間
Well, that's cute.
肉球人間はなんだその
Usopp's with us. Robin's with us.
深いだか慈悲深いだか知らねえがこいつも
Felt like Twilight. Cat. Oh no.
サイボーグフランキーお前の強度はその程度か
I also feel like Zoro's not gonna like that because he's like, I'm the one you're fighting.
You're fighting me. It's like oars.
Yeah.
フランキーが正面から吹っ飛ばされたパッド砲という高速で弾かれた
Yep.
See, I don't feel like this guy's gonna be like Aokiji, who's just all of a sudden like, you know what? We'll do this another day.
Right?
How are we gonna get out of this?
I honestly don't know.
And Luffy's out right now.
Yeah, like I don't think Luffy's coming back.
I'm a paw man.
死ぬほどの攻撃食らってんだぞ
Aw, poor baby.
The light is leaving his eyes.
Yes. See, they do care.
They do.
Yeah, but I also feel like that's
Yeah.
just like, you know, like being like, bloop.
Yeah, I don't think it did what you think it did.
Yeah. Listen, you say thank you. I hurt his
You hurt his foot?
Mm-hmm. Ouch.
That's like Zoro breaking a sword.
Can't kick iron. No.
Ah!
I mean that. Nope.
King of
The sub will
snipers.
take it straight on.
Oh. What are we gonna call the others? I want everyone's names. Let's go.
Well, Robin is Devil Child.
Devil. And Chopper is gonna be that reindeer boy. The pet.
Raccoon dog.
Raccoon dog Chopper. Pretty girl Nami.
throw a rabbit in there for him.
Panda Man. Please call him Raccoon Dog. I will lose it.
Rabbit raccoon dog.
Or the Straw Hat Pet.
Great.
Oh.
Problem solved. What a blow to their ego, but that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't like
I don't care for this.
肉球型に大気を固めてる。どんどん縮むぞ。
Is it?
It's a
I
giant
guess.
paw.
Okay, why is the bubble getting small? Where did it come from?
But I do like the sound. Not the sirens, but the boom, 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 boom.
Sounds like tornado sirens.
It does.
肉球で弾いて大きな大気の塊に圧力をかけてるんだ。あんなに小さく圧縮されてくる。
He's gonna let out like a huge
It's gonna
blast.
be big old boom.
なんだって。
I thought you said you derived no pleasure from them, so don't.
I mean, technically, he's not. He's just made a bomb. Now, what happens when that bomb goes off? Everybody's standing so calmly.
I mean, what else are you gonna do right now?
Good point.
Surely he's not gonna just. Okay.
If
He
you
says
can
while
survive
holding a bomb.
the bomb. Oh, let's see how
That got
thankful you
real dark
are.
really fast. No. Do you think he's gonna kill those people then?
Listen, okay, how thankful are they really? Because, like, they don't know him,
Yeah.
and, like, they just got their shadows back. It's kind of like a huge ultimatum.
It is. I could see them being like, he's making the world a better place, so I don't think so. Ooh.
Okay, but, like, I don't think he's talking to you.
Yeah.
I think he's talking to the other people.
I don't know, he might be talking to them.
But he, like, physically turned
Yeah,
towards
he
the
talked to the
crowd.
others. Ooh.
Okay, Lola seems like she's not for it.
pissed.
No.
Oh.
Okay, yay, they are really thankful. Now is he gonna be like, so be it?
Uh-huh.
Don't like that.
I'm scared. I feel like this show is leveling up their intensity.
Mm-hmm. It's so little. Like, it looks like it's not gonna do anything, but we all know it will. I like how these look, like, very drawn.
Mm-hmm. They look like they probably would have been in the manga.
Yes. I love that.
ウルススショッ
I'm scared.
Wow. Dang.
Wow. I hope the Sunny's okay.
Right? Because, like, Thriller Bark is not.
No.
Like, this ship might just sink out.
I also love that they're like, yeah, keep Moria alive. Yeah, this surely helped.
Right? I would think this would help, like, finish him off.
Yeah. Do you think he just drops that and leaves?
You
And
know,
doesn't
I
check
would
his
be
work?
okay with that.
Me too.
Does he check his work? Double check now. I don't know, man. I really hope not.
He basically just nuked that entire...
Area.
Oh, yeah, great. To be continued. You really
Jeez.
love to do that to us, don't they?
They really do. They really do. That's spooky. I'm actually worried.
I genuinely see with the way that the show is kind of ramping up as we're getting to like the new world and all of that, I could see all of Lola's crew being completely knocked out and gone.
Yeah.
Like
I
I feel
could
like
too,
we're
actually.
I feel like we're in that turning era. You know, I feel
Yeah.
like we
It's like no longer little kid games.
yeah, like
It's
we're
like
they're not screwing
turning-
around anymore.
Yeah, like because
They wanted his head.
Yeah, like they're bigger pirates, really, with like
Yeah.
higher stakes. And I don't like either how they keep mentioning like your crew's not strong enough for the new world.
Yeah, that's making me very concerned.
Yes.
And even it's made our crew even start to doubt themselves.
Yes, which is never any good.
Yeah, because yeah.
But now like they're seeing like it took so long to beat Moria, and now you immediately have
And Moria was a
Kuma
lazy
there.
son of a bitch. Like,
right.
He literally was like, I want to become king of the pirates by doing nothing at all.
Right, by my shadows doing it. And like Kuma is hardly even doing anything. Like he's not breaking a sweat at all doing what he's doing. And yes, sure, our crew's already taken a huge beat down, but like also I think they'd be struggling anyway.
Yeah.
So
Because they're doing a huge beat down on someone who really wasn't exerting a lot of effort.
right, yes.
So
yeah.
that I am concerned.
Very nervous.
Yeah.
Very nervous are we. Join us next time, guys.
Thanks.
Bye.